In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories on Acuity. Organizing your services into categories not only streamlines the booking process for your clients, but also helps you keep your offerings neatly organized. So if you're ready to take your scheduling system to the next level, let's dive in. First things first, navigate to Acuity Scheduling's website. This will be your starting point. Getting there is simple. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Acuity Scheduling URL, or search for Acuity Scheduling in your search engine. Once you are on the Acuity Scheduling homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you closer to where we need to be. After clicking Login, it's time to enter your credentials, starting with your email address. Type it into the designated field. Make sure you enter the email address associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. Next up, you're going to click Next to proceed. This leads us to the authentication part of the process. For a seamless sign-in experience, Acuity Scheduling offers the option to continue with Google. So go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use for signing into Acuity. This should be the same as the one you entered your email address for. Now that you're logged in, let's get down to the main task. On the dashboard, look for the Appointment Type section. This is where all your services are listed and managed. If you're having trouble locating it, it's often within the Settings or directly accessible from the home page once you log in. Within the Appointment Type section, you'll see your listed services. Identify which service you want to add a category to and click on Edit beside it. This will take you into the editing section for that specific service. Here's where the fun begins. Inside the service editing page, there's an option to create a new category. This is exactly what we're looking for. Clicking on it will open a new field where you can define your category. In this field, type in the name of your new category. Be descriptive but concise. This name will help you and your clients understand what types of appointments or services fall under this category. So choose wisely. With your category name typed out, it's time to make it official. Look for the Save button. It should be nearby. Clicking Save will add the newly created category to your list, effectively organizing your services into a more navigable format. And just like that, you've added a new category to your Acuity Scheduling page. It's a straightforward process that can significantly impact how you and your clients interact with your booking page. Plus, having everything neatly categorized enhances the overall experience, making it easier for clients to find exactly what they're looking for. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to keep in mind. Consider the hierarchy of your services and how categories can be used to reflect that on your scheduling page. Don't be afraid to revise and reorganize. As your offerings expand or change, your categories might need to be updated too. Lastly, engage with your clients. Gather feedback on your booking process to see if your categories are making their experience smoother. Categories are a small but mighty feature in Acuity that can make a big difference in how you present your services. They help in leading your clients straight to what they need without unnecessary confusion or time wasted. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you set up. Keep exploring the features Acuity offers to continually refine your scheduling process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy scheduling!